Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to enter and edit data on the Microsoft Word software. So I'll open software. So let us open a new blank document by clicking on the blank document option over here. So I click on it and we see a new page or a document. So at the bottom in the status bar you can see there is only one page. So it is page 1 of 1 here and there is no content. So it shows 0 words. So by default, the cursor will be blinking right where the left margin is. So if I write something, it will appear like this. So just imagine that you want to start writing something from a random place on the page. So all you have to do is just double click from where you want to start writing. So I'll keep my cursor over here and I'll double click over here. So I can type something over here. Got it. So this is how we can enter the data on the page. So in case if you want to select the data that you have written, simply drag across the content by clicking and dragging the left mouse button. So as soon as you release the mouse button, you will see a formatting toolbar as shown here. So we'll talk about this one later. So I hope you understood how to enter the data on the page. And also if you want to zoom in or zoom out the page, you can simply use this zoom slider and drag this to zoom out and drag this forward to zoom in. Got it? So we will talk about the tools in the font panel over here in the next video. Thank you.